example string thing class. We are creating a string, we're declaring a string a string, and then in line 18 we create a string is equals to new string last stop wonderland. So for the sake of easy working, I'm just gonna do this like last stop. It's not wonderland, the string is last stop. So let's assume this is the memory that we have, and this is how it looks like. 100, 101, 102, 103, so on and so forth. And at line 18 when the a string is created, last stop, so I'll just create that here. Let's say last stop. That's it. So this string is created at and stored at address 101 and is being referenced by the variable name a string. So now that we have worked with this, let's see what the output would be. Line 19, system.out println a string.length. So what is the length of last stop? 1 2 3 4 5 space 6 7 8 9. So this is 9. Sorry, my bad. So this is 9, right? So 9 is printed first. This is the output section. So 9 is printed first. Then this part is done. A string to uppercase, this line 20. So whatever the string is, print that in uppercase form. So L capital, A capital, S capital, T capital, space, S, T, O, P, all capitals. This would be the output. Line 21, we have to do dot uppercase and add a dot in the end as string. So this comes out to be as we had done the uppercase and then another dot at the end. So this is the output of line 21. Line 22, a string dot length plus 1. So a string dot length is 9, right? We computed that, plus 1, that gives us 10. So 10 is output. Line 23, 1 plus a string dot length. Now that is 1 plus a string dot length, that is again 10. So 10 is again output. Line 24, 1 plus a string plus 1. So how it works is, I'll show you by an example. 1 plus a string is, let's say, last stop, right? Plus 1. So this is the plus operator. This evaluates from left to right. So essentially, since we have a plus here, these two things will be evaluated first. So this comes out to be 1 added to the string last stop, which becomes the string. So this is the output of that. And then we have plus 1, right? So now again, this string is added to this, plus is a left to right operator. So 1 last stop and 1. This is the final string that we get. So this is our output. 1 last, I'll just write it like this to avoid confusion. 1 last stop 1. So line 24 is done. Line 25 is a string plus bracket 1 1. So innermost bracket is evaluated first. So this comes out to be 2, and then this is evaluated as last stop plus 2, right? This is a string. So this comes out to be last stop 2. So the output is last stop 2.